Dear students, in our part A of the lecture number 13, we have done with you elimination reaction. Now the next reaction is electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. As we all know that on benzene nucleus, if the substitution occurs, it will be electrophilic substitution reaction. Now here we have to discuss the electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarenes. That is on the benzene ring. The halo group is present. So how does it affect the electrophilic substitution reaction? We have discussed this in the class 11. Just for your recapitulation, halo group is a electron withdrawing group. Why electron withdrawing group? Due to minus I effect. So due to minus I effect, it is electron withdrawing group. And hence, when it is the electron withdrawing group, it deactivates the benzene ring for the electrophilic substitution reaction. But again, on the halo group attached to the benzene ring, there is a lone pair of electron which is in conjugation to the ring, due to which it shows a electron releasing effect due to resonance, that is the plus R effect. And as has been discussed many times with you, resonating effect is a more dominating effect as compared to the minus I effect. So although it is deactivating group, but yet it is ortho and para directing, as due to resonance it increases the electron density at ortho and para position, and whenever the electrophile attack, it will attack the center of a high electron density, which is ortho and para position, and hence favors electrophilic substitution reaction. So see on the board, halo group is electron withdrawing group. Why? Due to minus I effect. Hence, it deactivates the ring for electrophilic substitution reaction. However, due to resonance, it increases the electron density at ortho and para positions. Hence, favors electrophilic substitution reaction at ortho and para position. As for example, if you see, just see this chlorobenzene. Due to minus I, it must deactivate the group. But due to plus R, it will activate the group. How? This lone pair of electron is in conjugation with this double bond. How conjugated? Because they are separated from each other by means of a single bond. Since the group attached to the benzene ring contains the lone pair of electron, so it will be releasing the electron due to plus R effect. So there will be an interaction between this lone pair and the pi electron, and due to high electron density, this pi electron will shift toward this side, ortho position, and this lone pair of electron will attack on the double bond, due to which it will acquire a partial double bond character. And there will be high electron density at ortho and ortho position. Then there is again the interaction between this lone pair and the pi bond over here, pi electrons over here, due to which the electron density will become high at the para position. And similarly, due to conjugation between this lone pair and the pi electron, the high electron density center will be created at the ortho position. So from these resonating structure, it is quite evident that electron density is high at ortho position and at the para position. So whenever the electrophilic substitution reactions in haloarenes takes place, and whenever the attacking electrophile, when the incoming electrophile attack the benzene nucleus, it has a possibility of either attacking the ortho position or at the para position. So halo group activate ortho and para position for electrophilic substitution reaction. So product obtained will either be ortho and para substituted product over here. So the question can be asked in the board examination, explain why, although halo group is a deactivated group due to minus I effect, yet it is ortho and para directing. So over there, you have to explain by drawing, making these resonating structures over here. So it is quite clear that halo group is ortho and para directing in nature. So some of the important reactions of electrophilic substitution reactions now we will be discussing. These reaction, basic idea we have been doing it from the class 11. First is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. When chlorobenzene reacts with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, chloro group will be ortho and para directing group. So it will increase the electron density at ortho and para position. So what will be the answer? Ortho and para chlorotoluene. What? Why? Because it will increase the electron density at ortho and para position, and hence favor the electrophilic substitution reaction at ortho and para position. As told to you also earlier also and discussed in the mechanisms in the class 11th also, what is the function of anhydrous aluminum chloride over here? It will act as a Lewis acid and help in the generation of our electrophile. Name the electrophile in this reaction, CH3 positive. So in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, ortho and para-chlorotoluene will be obtained when it is being carried out for the chlorobenzene. Then Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Chlorobenzene, when made to react with acetyl chloride. This is acetyl chloride over here. So when it reacts with acetyl chloride and the reaction occurs in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, what will be the function of anhydrous aluminum chloride? It will act as a Lewis acid and help in the formation of electrophile. What will be the electrophile in this case? It will be CH3 and then CO positive over here. Where it will attack? At ortho and the para position. So product obtained will be ortho and para substituted product over here. So answer will be ortho and para chloroacetophenol. So it's quite clear in every chapter of the class 12. Whatever the group will be attached over here on the benzene ring, whenever we discuss the aromatic compounds, it will either be ortho para or meta. Whenever the atom group have a lone pair, it will be ortho and para directly in nature. As for example, you are seeing the reaction of a chlorobenzene. Now halogenation reaction. Chlorobenzene, when react with chlorine in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it will result in the formation of ortho and para dichlorobenzene. What will be the electrophile? Cl positive, that is the chloroniamine. What is the function of anhydrous aluminum chloride? It will help in the generation of a electrophile. So all the answer will be ortho and para product over here. Similarly, if we carry out the nitration reaction over here, this is halogenation. This reaction is a nitration reaction. And how is the nitration reaction carried out? It is being carried out in presence of HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid. So chlorobenzene, when react with concentrated nitric acid in presence of a concentrated sulfuric acid, it will result in the formation of ortho and para-chloronitrobenzene. What mechanism? Electrophilic substitution reaction mechanism. Name the electrophile over here. The electrophile in this case will be NO2 positive. All these are 1 marks question in the board examination. Name the electrophile in this reaction, NO2 positive. Name the mechanism, electrophilic substitution reaction mechanism. Detail of this mechanism has been discussed many times with you in the class 11. Similarly, when chlorobenzene is being made to carry out the reaction, which is a sulfonation reaction. In sulfonation, if we account for the sulfonation reaction over here, what will happen? This chlorobenzene, when react with concentrated sulfuric acid or a fuming sulfuric acid, it will result in the formation of ortho and para-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. Fuming sulfuric acid is being used over here to generate the electrophile. Name the electrophile over here. Electrophile over here will be SO3H positive over here. Or this will be the mechanism of the reaction will be electrophilic substitution reaction. So the questions are very clear. Chlorine, a group attached to the benzene ring, is a deactivating group. But why it favors electrophilic substitution reaction? As due to plus R effect, that is the resonating effect, it increases the electron density at ortho and para position and hence favor the electrophilic substitution reaction are at ortho and para position. We have done with you some of the electrophilic substitution reaction like Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, halogenation, nitration and sulfonation reaction. Now, we recapitulate the chemical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. First was the reduction reaction. Second was the reaction with the metal. Third was nucleophilic substitution reaction. Fourth was the elimination reaction. And the last chemical property we discussed with you is electrophilic substitution reaction. So we have done with you the physical properties as well as the chemical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now what is left in this chapter? Sometimes there may be confusion for 3-degree compound whether it favors SN substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction or elimination reaction. So comparison between nucleophilic substitution and elimination reaction is left. And then some commercially important compounds are in the syllabus, such as we have to discuss with you the chloroform and iodoform, then DDT. So in the next lecture, we will be coming across these topics and we'll try to cover up the chapter. By that time, lot of work has been done with you. You are advised to revise the work by watching the videos again and again and solving the problems which is being uploaded on the school portal.